Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. With the temperatures finally starting to cool down, our plants should have a good chance of catching their second wind after the stressful summer heat. That's especially true for roses. Unless they have been sheltered from the hot summer sun, most roses will look pretty scorched and stressed right now. Along with any other shrubs that were scorched this summer, now is the time to trim off those ugly brown leaves and stems. For roses, cut the main stems all back 25% and evenly shape the bush while removing any dead leaves that may remain. Clean up any old leaves, flowers, or stems that are around the base of the shrub. While you're at it, check to make sure the irrigation emitters are working properly. Next, use Dr. Q's rose and flower food according to package instructions to fertilize your roses. Water in the fertilizer with a good deep soaking, and then apply a 1 to 2 inch layer of fresh organic mulch like Dr. Q's pay dirt. This will revitalize your roses to push out new leaf growth and new larger flower buds. Continue to deep irrigate 2 to 3 times a week to help flush out any salts that may have accumulated during the frequent summer waterings. And soon you will have beautiful roses again that should last until the first frost. Here's some helpful pruning tips. Always make a 45-degree angle cut just above an outside leaf or bud. The angled cut will help ensure that moisture does not collect on the ends of the stems and cause any fungus problems. And the outside bud or leaf will ensure that the stem will continue to grow outward away from the bush and not grow into itself. Always remove dead or broken branches and any that are crossing over inside the bush or rubbing other branches. You also want to make sure to remove any growth that has started growing below the graft at the base of the bush. This growth will not produce good quality leaves or flowers. If you are looking to add roses to your garden, now is a great time to do so. Fall is the perfect time to plant these roses so they can get a good root system established over the fall and winter months. This will allow them to grow much faster than ones planted next spring. For more information on this topic, see our Star Notes number 520, 105, and 100 at any of our store locations or at starnursery.com. Our fall growing season is just about to start, so it's a great time to get your yard cleaned and trimmed and ready for the flush of new growth. Fall is a great time for planting. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.